Sorry. Uy, sige lang.
We have the XG 27 USDMG versus the Samsung Odyssey G81 SF. It's 32 inches versus 27, and we have the glossy and matte finish versus here. So as you can see guys, for me personally, I like the Samsung configuration. Everything it's unlocked the HDR, and yeah, it depends on you if you, but for me guys, matte and glossy, it's not a big deal for me even where do I go. So for me guys, I'll pick the Samsung because it's 32 inches. I prefer the 32 inches guys. And the matte screen also I prepare it's because um, it's easy to clean, and I think it protect the panel also, like for the scratches resistant. For the color guys, they are almost identical.